how to use Amazon MCF to fulfill TikTok shop orders. All right, so we showed you how to get set up and how to map your SKUs, all right, which is important, and how to set it up where MCF is ready to go. But how does it actually work? Let's hop in and let me show you where you can look at that. All right, so in Helium 10, under operations, you're going to want to go and select inventory management. All right, now we don't have the TikTok in your forecasting yet. That'll be coming soon. But here on the left-hand side, you want to go hit order status. And order status is what takes you to your TikTok shop MCF order kind of like epicenter right here. All right. Maybe you want to look up a certain TikTok order ID, or you want to see, hey, where are all the orders that are new, received, planning, processing, what was canceled? Maybe I want to see all my orders that have a certain quantity to it, or all my orders of a certain, product, et cetera, et cetera. But anything that is going to be in process is going to show up here. Like you can see, I've only got a couple orders. I just opened this TikTok shop. Here is one order that was canceled. I think that this was me. And then right here, I have another order here for $24.97. I think this was for like an egg rack, and it says awaiting shipment. If I wanted to actually see it on TikTok, I hit the view on TikTok button, and it'll take me to that order right here on TikTok shop. All right. And it says right here, awaiting shipment. Okay. So if there is an MCF order status, it would show up here in this column. There's not any right now because, like I said, I just made this order today. If there is action required, like something is wrong, like there's no inventory for a product, or I have to like approve an order or something, I just hit this action required, and then I can go ahead and approve orders or do whatever action that TikTok shop is asking me to do. The in progress orders, that's going to show right here. I have nothing right now to show for that. And then if there's something completed, that would show right here, like any canceled orders are going to show up. Now, if I didn't select the automatic MCF, I would have to manually do that right here on this page. I suggest setting the automatic one by setting either the expedited or the standard, like I showed you guys in the mapping section. But right here, this is where I would have to like take manual action in order to have my MCF go through. Now, here's another one of my TikTok accounts that has a little bit more orders, and you could see how it shows up, but like it actually shows that it was delivered. Like here's an order that was delivered in just 2 days. All right. And there's a button here that says track shipment. So if I hit this track shipment button, it'll take that tracking number and, put it out to whatever kind of like, tracking system, either if it's Amazon or USPS, et cetera. Like you can see here when the order was picked up, here's the tracking ID, et cetera, et cetera. This resubmit to Amazon, if I'm getting worried, like, hey, here's an order that I don't think it created a order in MCF, I can hit this resubmit to Amazon button right here, and it would go ahead and resubmit to try and like make sure to create that order. So the previous video, I showed you how to set up the multi-channel fulfillment. So in this video, the actual actions that you have to take is not much. This is more like a monitoring just to make sure everything's copacetic. And I do suggest checking this at least in the beginning, just until you can like start trusting that Amazon's going to deliver all these orders, and especially check it if you selected the standard shipping under in the previous strategy. We talked about how to set the mapping and choosing standard versus the priority shipping. If you're trying to be cheap and do the standard, really take a look at this tracking to make sure that you are hitting that delivery window. But if everything's good, then it's kind of like a set it and forget it. Like you did everything in the other strategies, and there's not even much to do here on this aspect of the MCF. So guys, that's it. That's like all the strategies we have now. We are adding stuff like literally every single day to our TikTok shop offering. Me personally, I'm new to TikTok shop, so like I don't know everything that TikTok shop seller might need. What is there, guys, out there that we have not done yet? Make sure to submit a ticket to Helium 10 and let us know. Say, hey, customer support, I really love this aspect, but you know what? This part was broken for me. These are brand new tools, guys, that we just literally did right now. If you, just like with anything else, if you see any bugs at all or any problems with it, please let our 24/7 customer support know what we can do to fix, how we can fix it for you. In addition, if there's new features that that was not covered in any of our TikTok shop strategies that I've been giving today, let us know what you like. Every single thing that we have talked about throughout these strategies, where did they come from? Definitely not me, because I wasn't selling on TikTok shop more than a few weeks ago. it came from you guys, the existing TikTok shop sellers out there. So make sure your token is connected, guys. If you don't have a diamond plan on Helium 10, upgrade to the diamond. You can see how easily you can make this money back just with a few sales here. I really wish you guys the best of success in your TikTok shop journey, and we'll see you in the next Seller Strategy Masterclass.